Okay, sine graph esizosebenza ngayo ke la kwi-chemical equilibrium, alright? Okay, sinani la isikhathi anini? Sinesikhathi la sinani? Sine concentration in mole per decimeter cube. Okay, so into eyenzakalayo sinama reactants amangaki lapha? Awu2 wangeni. Lama reactants aqhamuka ngaphi la? Aqhamuka phezulu, alright? So I've got my reactant, in a product enjani A1. Angiyayibona into yami. Okay, ufike kwenzakala i-reaction angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi ekuqaleni ekathi ngifaka ebhodweni bekwenzakala ini? I-reaction yayise-reacha in the chemical what? Equilibrium. La olayini asebeqonde khona buka ngale kwi-rate of reaction besithi ama-olayini mabeqondile sireache in i-completion. Angisezwani? Okay, lapho khona ama-products asenjani ase-formed noma ama-reactants asenjani ase-used up. Kodwa lana-ke kwi-chemical equilibrium masibona the parallel line kanje sebeqondile sithi ba-reache ini i-chemical equilibrium. Angisezwani? They are in dynamic what? Equilibrium. Understood? Yes. Alright, buka sitheni la buka siyayixoxa manje lento. I-concentration ine-behavior yayo ngowama-graphs. Angisezwani? I-pressure inani ine-behavior yayo. Kanjalo ne-temperature injani ine-behavior yayo. Kuyezwakala? Alright, ithini indaba manje? Sithethina we have decided to what? To add the what? Oh, we have decided to what? To disturb the chemical equilibrium by what? By adding ubani? U-H2. Which are some bending. Something point number 1. We must add to H2 the concentration of what? Of H2 what? Increases. You will use what? A stroke line. Angisezwani? Uzosenza uline onjani? Oqondile two ohamba vertically. Kuyezwakala? Okay, uma ngiyi-remove uzoyizansi. Uma ngiwenza njani? Uma ngiyi-add uzoya kuphi? Uzoya phezulu. Why uya phezulu? Angithi lana sine concentration. And sithe ma u-add the concentration what? Increases. Kuyezwakala? Futhi concentration yenza njani? Izoya phezulu kabani? Ka H2 N2 NH3 la. Angisezwani? Oh, i-concentration izo increase kabani? Eka H2 nansi nge-stroke line. Kuyezwakala? Shuthi lana okuyena o-ediwe noma o-removiwe kwi-what? Kwi-concentration because la senze example ngani nge-concentration sizobona ukuthi ebe yedwa onani one-stroke line. Kuyezwakala? Alright, stroke line ngisuke ngikhuluma ngalo line uzoya phezulu noma uwe kuphi ezansi oqinile. Anisezwani? Ungabi soft. Yabona leyo nto leyo? Alright. Okay, asambeningi. Wasimase ediwe ke njengamanje usenjani use-ediwe isystem esidlala indima yayo using what? Lithathele yazi what? Principle. Kuyezwakala? Yayisithini system? Yayisishifta yayo kuphi? Kwa-right. Very good. Mayishifta yaka-right, shuthi kwa-right siyazi ukuthi kunani une-forward reaction. Shuthi i-forward reaction injani? E-favored. Bonke-ke kushuthi abanjani abala kuma-products bazonjani? Bazo-increaselwa yini? I-concentration. Bonke abakuma-reactants bazokwenza njani? Bo-decreaselwa yini? I-concentration. Kuyezwakala? Alright, asambeningi. Kushuthi sekwenzakalani nje njengoba nje ixoxe mfundi. Ubani okuma-products? We-NH3 kushuthi nangu siya increase. Buka ngeke sa-increase nge-stroke line ngoba kuyena obekade ediwe noma eremoviwe. Ukuthi yena unjani? Ube-favored. Kuyezwakala? Nangu kwesenza njani? Ese-increaser. Waseyabuyela back. Use-create a new what now? A new equilibrium. Yayibona le nto leyo? Okay, so these two are what? Are reactants. They are being unfavored. Kuyezwakala? So bona bazonja njani? Bo-decreaser. Nansi new equilibrium. Nangu lo what? Decreaser. Here is what? A new equilibrium. Kuyezwakala? So this is my what now? This is my graph. Yabona? Okay, so buka the behavior of the concentration graph. Kuma reactant nama product wakho uzoba yedwa onjani? On a stroke line. Uyabona ukuthi bonke laba banaso stroke line. It's just a what now? A soft shift. Angithi uyayibona ukuthi soft what? A soft shift lana. Uyabona? Kanti la kufike kwenza njani? Wakhombisa ukuthi ediwe. Uyabona kuba kuthiwa beku stroke line ebheke phansi wakhombisa ukuthi eqaleni wenziweni uremoviwe. Kuyezwakala? Okay, so after lapho bese kudlala bani manje? Ulithathele principle. Iwona esizo decide ukuthi sikhamba kanjani after. You understand that? Yes. All right. This one, let us make this one be our T1. Ngamabomu amakhulu. Ngamabomu amakhulu. Ku-T2 ngizokwenza i-factor kuphinde kube i-concentration e-example-eni le angisizwani. Okay, ngithi njengamanje ngithi let us now remove what NH3. We are removing NH3. Ngixoxeleni ukuthi yini eyenzakalayo from point number 1 to point number 4. Very good. The concentration of what? Of NH3 decreases. Yezwakala? Asambeni kwi-graph. So kwenza njani kwi-shift? Very good. Angithi u-remove. Lona othintiwe nje kwi-concentration lo ediwe noma removed. Uyena kuphela uzoba nani? Ne-stroke line. Shuthi sesiyazi thina ukuthi sonza njani. Kuzoba ne-stroke line isikabani. Ufunde kahle ku-NH3. Akuyena lo. Yezwakala? Phela landela ulayini kusukela la. Imuphi u-NH3? Ilo. Angini uyabona? Ungadideki ukuthi hayi usezansi bese utshathi wona leyo. Uyabona? Landela ulayini. Kuyabonakala? Nanga angithi kuyezwakala. Kuba ne-stroke line esiya kuphi? Esiye ezansi. Angithi uyasibona? Okay. Point number 2. Uthini point number 2 la? Okay, angisenze njani buka? Sifike senza njani la? Si-edile kwathi. Angithi uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Okay, so njengamanje system sizo-shift-ye ku to the side that will oppose what? This disturbance. Shoot point number 2 uthini? The system will shift to the what? To the left. Yes, all. Point number 3. Very good. Angithi ka left in reverse reaction. The reverse reaction is what? Is favored. Yes, all. Okay, meaning the concentration of what now? Of the reactant increases. Okusho ukuthi le concentration yani yanangu uproduct yami ku NH3 yenza njani yona ya decrease. Asambeni sithe ibapha aba favored. Ibapha aba favored. Okay, kusho ukuthi baphi? U-H2 no-N2. Wanisezwana. Kusho ke laba aba favored angisiyazi bakhushulelwa yini i-concentration. Asambeni now H2 angini. Nathi i-concentration yenza njani? Ya increase abesibuyela back to what? To equilibrium. A new equilibrium now. Angeni? Okay, asambeni manje siye kuphi ke manje? Ku-N2 now. Siyawulanda uyasicashela unamanga now. Angithi uyabona? Wenza njani? Wasukhanda a new equilibrium. Lo yena wenza njani NH3? Very good yena now. Yayibona lento leyo? Okay. Is this thing, guys, understandable? Do you understand it? Yes. Okay, so this thing is very what? It's very easy. And it says one, it is very easy. It's so nice and what? And lovely. Yes, all right. Asambeni ke siye kumanje, siye kuyi-pressure, ubuze ngempela. Ngoba phela siyahamba. Ubuze ngempela uma ukuthi understand. Kuyezwakala? Ungabese unga-understand bese uthi hayi uMr Zulu yazi akasinikanga ithuba lokubuza. Ayiniyambona Mr Zulu yeninika ithuba. Kuya-understand hayi sikhombuthi sonke siya-understand. All right. Asambeni ke siyoxoxa ngani manje? Senze example nge-disturbance esibiza ngani manje? Nge-pressure. Angeni? Sibone sisebenza kanjani. Kunethuba enganinikanga lona. Nikopishile amanothi? Noma ngingakopisha oyedwa mhlawumbe nikopisha kuyena. Abalulekile phela amanothi. Angithi khona into ukuthi ukukhohlwa yadalwa uNkulunkulu. Akayidalanga? Okay, kodwa ke ayisenongibamba ku YouTube. Bawuthi awukopishanga kahle. Ngizoyisenda ilink lapha egroupini. Ngeviki elizayo. Okay. Asibukeni i-pressure manje. Okay. All right. Okay. Asibukeni ke ukuthi le factor yethu manje sikhuluma ngayo kuyini okuyi-pressure. Angeni? Okay. How does pressure affect what? The chemical what now? the chemical equilibrium. I-pressure i-affecta kanjani i-chemical equilibrium? Okay, it's by what? Increasing pressure or what? Or decreasing pressure. And so on. You will either increase it or what? Or decrease it. Yes or all? Okay, so lapho kuzobe senza njani pressure? The chemical equilibrium will be what now? Will be disturbed. Yabona? Bese system futhi yenza njani manje? Bese reinstate a new what now? A new equilibrium by what? By favoring the side that will what now? Very good. Yes or all? Okay. Asambeni. Seshilo sathi pressure izo disturb kanjani chemical equilibrium. Okay, NH2. Oh, sorry. N2 plus H2 kanda NH3. All right. So, okay. So this is our thing, right? It's balanced. Okay. Asambeni. Ithini indaba njengamanje? Ithi indaba sesixoxile sabona ukuthi i-pressure i-affecta kanjani ini i-chemical what equilibrium. Anisezwani? Okay. Buka enye information okumele sibe nayo ukuthi ke mele sazi ukuthi uma u-increase i-pressure i-reacta kanjani i-system. Uma u-decrease i-pressure i-system yenza njani? I-reacta kanjani. Anisezwani? Okay. If we increase pressure, the system will shift to the side with fewer number of what? Of moves. And guess what? Sitini, if we increase pressure, there is more what now? There is more pressure. So ngifuna indawo engenayo ini i-pressure. Uyabona? Okay. If we increase the pressure, I think the number of moles will eventually what? Increase. I says one. So says pinchene. I says one. More pressure. So I will shift to the side with less what? With less pressure. With less number of what? Of moles. Yes or no? Okay, buka. Ima apply our moles. So bona ngani ukuthi represent in less number of moles. So buka now ama ratios weight. And it's or no 4 mole kuphi kwiside la left lana nginobani no 2 mole kwiside la bani la right. And says one. So if I choose to make an example here, ngithi let us increase what? Let us increase pressure. Increase what? Pressure. Kuzowenzakalani in points form? Sisayibuka nje theoretically. Singakayibuki graphically. Yazwakala? All right. Sitini, we are now increasing what? Pressure. We are born. Okay. Uzokwenzakalani if we increase pressure? Buka. Uzothwena. When pressure is increased. And it says one. When pressure is what? Is increased. The system shifts to the side with what? With fewer number of what? Of moves. Yes or no? Okay. When pressure is what? Is increased. That is how you will answer. And it says one. Wabona ngingabhali ngibuka isikhathi sebenza isikhathi yena ngene. Okay, kodwa lento enginika yona ngomlomo yona into ozoyibhala lapha mawusu answerisha. Ngiyezwa wani? Okay. When pressure is increased, the system will shift to the side with fewer number of what? Of moles. Hamba kanjani? Okay. Asambeni. Okay, iliphi side elina fewer number of moles in this case. Okay, so side like a right again. Okay, the system shift to the what? To the right. Okay, the system shift to the right in this case. Okay, so what right is pertain? The forward reaction again. Okay, so the system should make shift here right favoration in a forward reaction. Point number 3, the forward reaction is what? Is favored. And says one. Then point number 3 now. And says one. The last point it's in on. So the concentration of what? Of law of favored increases. Yes or no? Alright, so the concentration of Bani of NH3 increases. Yayibona sihamba kanjani? Khona la kusale khona? No, I don't think khona la kusale khona. Okay, asibuke ke graphical. Anisezwana? Niyabona senginikile 2 minutes. Ngivele nje ngaphefumula nje for 2 minutes cabanga. Okay, asambeni. Into eyenzakalayo i-pressure has got its behavior ngokwama graphs. Anisezwana? Alright. Into eyenzakalayo la kwi-pressure, if we increase pressure, all of them they will show that's what stroke line yenza njani increase, meaning their concentration at first will all increase. Anisezwana? Okay, so if we increase pressure bonke ama stroke lines yabona benza njani baya increase. Uyayibona lento leyo bese kudlala inje manje ulithathe ya principle. Point number 2, angithi bo when pressure is increased the system will what? Okay, kodwa ke ngokwe graph into kumele uyazi ma increase pressure bonke bazokwenza njani bazo increase. Anisezwana? Bese kudlala isystem manje ithi system bese efavorisha liphi side, the side with less number of moles. Liphi lelo side libe favored in this case? The forward reaction. Forward reaction inayiphi lo i-substance la ino NH3. Asambeni se NH3 kusho ukuthi ube njani favored, meaning concentration of NH3 yozo njani izo increase. Angithi uyayibona? Nansi wase create a new equilibrium. Uyabona laba ba unfavored i-concentration yabo iba njani bona? Very good. Uyayibona? Okay, so nalo wenza njani? Decrease. This is our graph ngokwe pressure. Kuyezwakala? Yes. Alright, at T2 inini. Let us decrease pressure now. The pressure yenziwe manje idecreasiwe. Xoxani konzalana. Point number 1. The system will favor the site with more number of what? Of moles. And says one. All right. Okay. Asambeni. Point number 2. The system will say a shift kuphi kwa left. Angeni. Let's start. The reverse reaction is what? Is favored. Angeni. Let's start. Let's gcina njalo. Okay, the concentration of what? Okay, vele ukhulume ngalo favored. Yabona? Umupho favored, i-reverse reaction. Angisho ukuthi wrong, ayisezwana, right, but yes, vele sikhulume ngamuphi ngalo favored, meaning the concentration of the reactant is what? Increases, sorry. Ayisezwana? Okay, simple, right? Okay, simple kanjalo. Concentration yama reactants enze njani? I-increasile. Ngokwe graph ositwebeni. Kokwenzakalani la? Kubo bonke. Be specific, okay? Okay, so bonke bazoba nama stroke lines kanjani? Abheke phansi. Kuyezwakala? Bese kwenzakalani? Okay, ama reactants enza njani wona? Very good. Okay, bese no. Low NH3. Yes. Ozalana. Bese kwenzakalani? Bese NH3 yenza njani? It decrease. Very good. Ayinayibona thamba kanjani? Okay, simple kanjalo. Very simple. Okay? Very simple. Okay. Kuyezwakala yini nonke kodwa? Qoqela kanga. Uyayibona nje nawe uyayifila leyo nto bekumele ngiyixoxe yazi ne. Uyayibona nawe ukuthi okay lana ngakwenza njani? Nga overlapisa lana ayayivuma ukuthi enze njani? I-overlap. Kuyezwakala? Alright. Mawubona ungafuni ungayi-overlapisa mayifuna uku-overlap ne. Futhi ungafuni ukuyi-overlapisa mayingafuni ukwenza njani? Uku-overlap. Uyayibona nje nawe uma udweba ukuthi ayi ngoba yifuna uku-overlap. Angisezwanga? Aye, there is no mark for that. Okay? All right. Okay, I hope we all understood. Asambeni nje siyobuka ini manje. Temperature. Sisonke la. Okay. Khona lento esibiza ngani? Esibiza ngo delta H. Kwenzeke sithole njani? I-positive. Kwenzeke sithole njani? Ayisezwana. Alright, uma i-positive kusuke kwenzakalani? Suke i-heat njani i-absorbed angeni? Okay. If injani i-negative suke i-heat njani? I-released angeni? Alright. So into kumele uyi-understand yabo i-temperature ngivele ngihlalele khona esikhonkosini ungalokhu i-stress. Ile angithi you'll be given your equation. Mina nje ngithanda ukuzenzela i-example ngale ne. Wena ngisho nganikwa yiphi? NH3. Okay, bese bethi lo unjani? Upositive. Ayisezwana. Okay, so if bengakunikeza kanje bengakunikeza bethi udelta H bese bekunikeza inombolo enjani? E-positive. Inombolo nje maye positive okwazi ukuthi unje vele. Kezwakala. Inombolo maye negative unjani? Unje. Kezwakala. Enivele abangakunika yona. Yabona? Alright. So ithini indaba njengamanje? Ithi into kusuke kumele uyazi la evulekele khona. Ayisezwana. La njani evulekele khona. So thenza njani? Ya release khona. Kushuthi kulelo side kunani? Very good. Kuno exothermic. Ayisezwana. Angeni kuyi-heat kulo i-heat si release kuphi? Kuyi-exothermic. Si absorb kuphi? Alright. So ithini? Ivulekele kuphi ngala? Angithi u-left la, u-right la. Ivulekele kuphi? Ivulekele kuphi? Ivulekele ka-left. Angithi uyayibona la ikhamisele khona, yabona? Ikhamisele kuphi? Kwa-left. Meaning release kuphi? Kwa-left. Shuthi in your equation uno-x okuphi? Okwa-left. Kushuthi ngalawo nobani? No-endo. Anisezwana? Alright. La ivulekele kuphi? Uyayibona ukuthi ikhamisele kuphi? Kwa-right. Asambeni senze ini? I-equation yethu. Awubheka sayibhalansanga. Okay. So sithe la izansi ivulekele kuphi? Okay. So la ivulekele khona siya-release. Kezwakala? Okay, si-release kuphi? Ku-x angeni. Shuthi u-x ungaphi la? Okay, very good. Shuthi u-x ukuphi kwa-right angeni sezwana? U-x olani bani? U-endo. Uyayibona le nto leyo? Okay, yabona uma usuyibambe la. Aha. Bese ngamanzi lokho kuyiwathi okuyi-temperature. Anisezwana? Okay, uma usuyibambe lapha isuke le nto yakho isinjani? Isizoba nice and what? And lovely. Uyayibona le nto leyo? Okay, njengamanje into esingasiwarisha ukuthi kumele sazi ukuthi how does the temperature now what disturb what the chemical equilibrium. Anisezwana? I-temperature idisturb kanjani i-chemical equilibrium? Kanje pressure. Anisezwana? It's by increasing temperature or what? Or decreasing it. Anisezwana? Okay. Ngokuthi is increase the temperature noma senze njani? Si-decrease. Uyayibona le nto leyo? Therefore isiya affecta ke manje ini? I-chemical what? Equilibrium. Uyayibona le nto leyo? Alright. Asambeni, in this case, into kumele uyazi. Angeni kuyi-pressure sheet ukuthi into kumele uyazi ukuthi must increase i-pressure kokwenzakalani angeni? Lana-ke kuyi-temperature nakhona kusenjalo. Into kumele uyazi lana ukuthi must increase i-temperature kwenza njani? Anisezwana? Okay, must decrease i-temperature kwenza njani? Anisezwana? Okay, focus, ne? Okay, if we increase in temperature, it always favors what? The endothermic what? Reaction. Kezwakala? Uma si-increase i-temperature, kuhlezi kufavorisheka i-endothermic what? Reaction. Buka. Si-increase temperature. Yabona? So siwutsheliwe ukuthi temperature injani lana i-increased. Bahlakaniphile phela futhi labantu laba, noma bengasakucaciselanga bethi temperature i-increased, vele bekunikeza ukuthi i-reaction yethu bekade reactor kubani ku-25 watt degrees Celsius. Ayisezwana bese uma betshela sebesuka bese bethi na njengamanje ilo ama degrees Celsius asewubani asewu-50 degrees Celsius. Asikho isidingo sokuthi beze bekutshela increase temperature. Uyabona wena, uyayibona nto leyo, usuyabona temperature nje wena lana i-increaseiwe. Kezwakala? Okay, yini manje siyenzakalayo? Usuzochaza kanjena-ke wena, uzothi an increase in temperature, an increase in temperature always favors what? The endothermic reaction. Kezwakala? Okay, bhale phansi loo nto leyo. An increase in what? In temperature always favors a what? An endothermic reaction. Yayibona nto leyo? Okay. Adwena uyabona laphayana ukuthi uyena mupho i-endothermic reaction. Ayisubonile? Okay. So usungasho uthi oh sorry, angisho ukuthi ngenze example ngayiphi phakathi kwaba u2. Ayisezwana? Okay, asitheni senze example ngalo kuqala ngo-A. Increase in temperature kubani? Ku-reaction A. A no B. Ayisezwana? Increase in temperature kubani? Ku-A. Kuyazwakala? Okay, ku-A restriction between delta H unjani? U-positive. Again, okay, thina sasisenza njani? Increase temperature, but into esiyaziyo, point number 1, an increase in temperature always favors what? The endothermic reaction. Meaning a decrease in what? In temperature always favors what? Exothermic what? Reaction. But in this case, it's increase in temperature. So, point number 1, an increase in temperature always favors what? An endothermic reaction. Point number 2, okay, the system shift to the way now, to the right, but as it begins, well, let's start with ngamabomu. As teni, what right and to end the weight. As teni, the forward reaction is favored. And says one, the forward reaction is favored. The forward reaction is what? Is favored. And it's good short and good must increase the temperature. It always favors what? It always favors what? The endothermic reaction must increase in its temperature. Lana sense temperature. See increase it. That must say A ubano endothermic reaction. Forward what? Reaction. And says one. Okay, so says here show point number 2. The forward reaction is what? Is favored. Yes or no? Okay, why so? It's because the forward reaction yona in endothermic what? Reaction. So you know, restriction is in the yes or no? Point number 3. The system shifts to the what? To the right. Again, the system shifts here what right? Mobile is no end what? Thermic reaction. The system shifts to the what? To the right. Yes or no? Alright, upon doctrine, the concentration of what? Of NH3 in the journey, ya increase. Yes or no? Alright, so point number 2, no point number 1, I think buba kumuntu ukuthi uqala ngaliphi. But no ungaqala ngaliphi is fine, okay? Asambeni ke si represent into graphical. La behavior yani ye temperature. There is no what? Stroke line. Yazokala? Ayikho lento sibiza ngani? Ne stroke line. Okay? So khamuka nje usuhlala kuphi? We shift ukuthi kushifte kanjani. Ibona yena nguphi ogcine be favored la? Ubani? Nangu NH3 wenza njani? Uyakhuphuka khande new equilibrium. Laba baba njani? Unfavored. Uyabona leyo nto? Babe njani? Unfavored. So this is my graph. Okay? No stroke line. Ubonile ukuthi kuyi pressure bonke bazoba nama stroke line. Kuyi concentration uyedwa uzoba ne stroke line. La ku temperature no stroke line. Yezwakala? Yes. Okay. T2. At T2 ngicela ukuthi si decrease temperature nini manje senishoyo. Say decrease your mind temperature. Somebody. Point number 1. Very good. And what? A decrease in temperature always favors what? The exothermic reaction. Point number 2. The reverse reaction is what? Is favored. Point number 3. The system shifts to the what? To the left. Point number 4. Very good. The concentration of what? Of the reactants increases. Simple. Answer is 1. Okay. Let us give it a decrease. Khona ku-A. The decrease in manje. I-temperature ku-A. Zixoxeleni ninayo manje.